everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to control your Samsung TV with your phone. So you can use a couple different apps. So if you just have like an Android phone, you can swipe down from the top and there should be an option on here somewhere through your widgets. So if we scroll on through here, or we might have to go to this little edit option, and there will be a remote option down here. That's what I had. So you're going to have to press the plus icon and you can see the remote option right there. So once you add it to your top widgets, you can scroll on through here and you can find it under here. So let's go to remote now. And it's kind of hard to see, but let's go to TV remote. Then we can press it and then we can go to OK. And we can set this up. And our TV remote should work on here just with the Google apps. Otherwise it's called Google TV. So here it is. And I have my TV selected. Select device, my TV. Just make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, otherwise it won't work. So this is also called Google TV. So if we go over to the Play Store, we can go to Google TV, Google TV. So let's get Google TV. And then once we have this on here, we can add our TV. And then just go to this. So Google TV right here, open this up, allow. Then we can go to like TV nearby, select this, select your TV nearby, and then it'll bring open the remote for you. We can just select it down here. And we should be able to control it now. And then we have this little pop-up. We just need to pair it. And then as soon as we pair it, we should be good to go. So you can see on my screen now it says pair. I'm just going to connect it. It looks like it's trying to connect via Bluetooth. So make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone too. And I should be able to control it now. And it's working. It doesn't work the best here, so I can go back to the home screen. There's another way that you can do this just on your device. And this is called Smart View. So if we go on over to the Google Play Store one more time, or this is called SmartThings. Let's go up the top here. Smart Things. And this is the one made by Samsung. So let's go to SmartThings and open this up. And you have to sign in with your account and stuff. But on the bottom here, let's go to Devices. Then go to Add Device. And then scan nearby, this phone. And you should be able to scan for nearby devices, or we can just go to Add Device here and go on down to TV and add a TV. And you should be able to just add the TV on here. And if you can't, just go through the settings. You should be able to find it. But you can see my TV's on here. And you're probably going to have to sign in with your account at some point in time. But you can see I can swipe up and swipe down now all over. And this one works probably better than the other one. But you'll have to add your Samsung account on here. And that's the only problem. And then you can do this. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.